Welcome, and as you know by now, this is the new studio and office of mine, and today we're gonna do a studio tour. My key light, computer screen, sound, but let's take this all from the beginning instead, shall we? Let's do it. Okay guys, so today it's time to start finishing up this room, or at least start working with it. Did you know that this one, the wrench or skiftnyckel, as we say in Swedish, it's actually a Swedish invention, the way it looks today. This furniture is coming from IKEA, or actually it's not IKEA, it's IKEA, and that is a Swedish brand. And why is it IKEA, not IKEA? Yeah, because IKEA is coming from Ingvar Kamprad. That was the name of the guy that invented IKEA. Ingvar Kamprad, Älmtaryd, Agunnaryd, IKEA. It's not too bad, is it? We can put some nice things on this. Some things here and some things there, and it's gonna be pretty, I think. I had to assemble this entire thing because I used this Philips Hue play and I put them here. But the thing was that they were coming so far down so it looked kind of stupid. So what I've done instead is that I've taken apart the entire thing, created holes here and created holes up here so I can put a LED list through those channels instead. It's good, right? And then what I discovered was that here we're getting a pretty harsh light that is coming down, so I'm gonna take something, maybe some tape, to cover the first LED, and that cast is gone. First it looks like this, into something more like this instead. Now I'm gonna get rid of those below here also, because I actually put strip light under here too. So I forgot to tell you what I did. I took gaff tape and then I just taped the LEDs that are closest to these boards. Today we're gonna build the unit that is gonna be here. I'm gonna have some storage, and I'm gonna be able to easily charge camera batteries, lights, and other gears. So this is actually pretty decent priced standard shelf units. Steel shelving, in Swedish it's stålhylla. These legs are a two-part system, so you can either have the full height or you can have the half height. First I'm gonna make one that is half, and then I'm gonna have some more that is the full height. Okay. Why do the manuals always have to be so bad? Try to figure that out. This is actually a solution that another YouTuber, Peter Lindgren, he's Swedish as well, he had a similar solution where he put one of these boxes on top and then have some fancy things inside. Inside they actually have this foam that are in small pieces, so you can just pick out whatever you need and then you can fit your gears perfectly inside. And then I actually have a plan. Whenever I know exactly where I would like to have things, I'm gonna do something fancy. I will not tell you yet, but yep, you will see. So yeah, why not subscribe and like this video if you like this kind of videos. Hit that subscribe button. So if you do something similar to this, please just make sure that before you attach anything to a board or something like that, just make sure that you can open the lid without going into the wall. No, I did not attach this before. I'm very lucky this time. Another thing that I realized is that I can't really have that one here. It's not gonna look good. So I'm gonna place that one here instead. Whoa, the new desk has arrived. It's a Folie desk and it's Jarvis. Oh my god, this is heavy. What I thought was important for me was that I would like to have a desk like this and then a desk like this. So that is going to be my editing station and this is going to be my more, well, product presentation desk. But I don't know how to assemble all of this because there is no instruction or manual whatsoever. Oh, the keypad. That is one thing that also was important for me, that I wanted to have a desk where I could preset the height. Level 1, well, that is for when I may be sitting. In box 1 of 1, there should maybe be a manual so you know what to do, but... Holy crap! The first one was heavy, this one is worse. I'm gonna take a different knife for that box. Heavy desk needs a heavy knife. This one instead. And always put it back so no one steps on it. Safety first. Oh, box 2 of 2. Manual. Mouse pad. They sent me a freaking mouse pad. Thank you for buying at Jarvis from Folie. For helping putting it together, take a look at our how to assemble your Jarvis desk video.
Step 1. Insert one of the lifting columns. Either one, they're identical.
Okay, so we have to take the desktop first. Pretty. Oh, I smashed my freaking toe. Oh. And that sucker is supposed to go in here. Folie, if you ever buy IKEA stuff, they know how to write a description how to assemble things. Those are easier to follow. So now the legs are attached and we are getting closer to lift this sucker up. I can't wait because I think we have spent more than 2 hours to build this thing. Ooh, the disc is set up. What do you think? It's nice, right? So now let's put all our things on it. We're gonna put up this drawer here. So this desk is awesome, but black is freaking terrible. Look at this. I mean, everywhere you can see everything, every little piece of handprint. I put my keys here, it's already a little bit scratched. Never buy a black desktop if you're gonna be anywhere close with your fingers. So what I've done is that I have purchased some Folie design foliage, self-adhesive film. So I'm gonna put that here instead. Okay, time to wash it first. It's all wiped, but just to give you perspective, look here. Here you can see all these small scratches. And here, still fingerprints. Here, fingerprints. Everywhere, fingerprints. Just imagine what it looks like when you work with it. So no, do not get a black one. I think this looks so good compared to that one. And no more fingerprints. That is awesome. Looking forward to put back all my stuff and I'll continue with this office. And if you would like to see my desk from another angle, it looks like this. Here I have the big desk, here I can have my unboxing and other stuff. Big key light, front and light, that is the Forza 200. Here I have my MacBook Pro connected to two 32-inch monitors. And I have my Stream Deck here that I can just... Here I have all my shortcuts for Final Cut, for example. Here I have my CalDigit. You can have the SD card here, lots of slots on the back side. And here I just have a USB hub where I can charge my phone and other stuff. And this is what this little contraption looks like in full view. Well, that is it for this studio tour. I hope you liked it. And there is a part 2 of this. I have some good things coming up that gonna make this office even better. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and see you in the next video. Take care. Best wishes from Sweden. Bye.